We're still a month away from the expected launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24, but more details about the upcoming phones continue to come into focus, particularly for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The latest leak not only gives us a potential look at the high-end model, but also fills in some information about the likely Galaxy S24 Ultra color options. Windows Report has published what look to be images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing the titanium material that is rumored to be a part of the new Ultra's design. Earlier this fall, Apple introduced titanium frames to its iPhone 15 Pro models, replacing stainless steel with a lighter, more durable material. Rumors have indicated that Samsung could follow suit with the S24, certainly with the Ultra and possible additional models, and the Windows Report images seem to confirm that plan. However, Windows Report does indicate that titanium will be an exclusive S24 Ultra feature, as the S24 and its S25 Plus will use aluminum. The pictures do more than show off a titanium Galaxy S24 Ultra. They also display 4 color options with the names Titanium Black, Titanium Gray, Titanium Violet, and Titanium Yellow. Additionally, the renders seem to confirm a host of other rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including claims the handset will come with a flat design rather than a curved screen. Samsung's flagship will also have 5 cameras. We're assuming there'll be a 50MP 5x telephoto lens, a 10MP 3x telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and 200MP main shooter. On the front, you'll find a 12MP selfie camera, according to the report. Other rumored Galaxy S24 Ultra features include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8GB Gen 3 chipset, up to 12GB of RAM, a 5000 mAh battery, and offer both wired and wireless charging. The device's display will measure 6.8 inches, confirming earlier reports that had suggested the same, and it will ship with an S Pen stylus. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra has quickly become the worst-kept secret in the smartphone space, with a nearly endless supply of leaks continuing to crop up. Earlier rumors have reported on many of the same features as this most recent leak, along with other claims, including Samsung's apparent plans to use artificial intelligence across the handset's many apps to make using it far simpler. The Windows Report leak fails to mention when we can expect the Galaxy S24 on store shelves, but previous rumors have suggested Samsung is planning a Galaxy Unpacked event for mid-January, where the smartphone lineup will appear. Those reports say Samsung's handset could ship to those who pre-ordered it as early as January 26 and ultimately be available to anyone by January 30. For its part, Samsung hasn't commented on any of the leaks and likely won't before it holds its Unpacked event. But as we get closer to that unveiling, look for more leaks to pop up and for more of them to confirm much of what we're seeing in these latest renders. With all these leaks and rumors, what feature are you most excited about, or what do you hope to see in the Galaxy S24 Ultra that hasn't been revealed yet? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.